Today I'm checking out something I've really been curious about, the RECPOINT AI voice recorder. First I thought it was just another voice recorder, but after looking into it, I realized it actually uses AI to transcribe meetings, summarize conversations, and even organize your notes for you. So let's open it up together and see if it lives up to the hype.
So it comes large piece of paper. Talking about that is the RECPOINT note. They do give you a lot of different languages, one in English. The most crazy thing on how cool this is just how thin it actually is, y'all. Like, look how thin this is. Take this bad boy out and see how it looks. So you got nice grooves right here. As you can see, this is for it connect to a phone. This is how the back look. I'd say it look pretty nice, to be honest, and very small. So you definitely can use this with what you want to go. Let's see what else we got in here. Nothing in there. Okay, this is nice. So you basically just gotta open it up. Warranty, safety guide. This is a different type of charger right here, so I haven't seen too many chargers like this too much. Basically, how I'm seeing that it goes, that this piece right here will connect to this, and yeah, so it should go like that. And it's magnetic, so you won't even have to worry about trying to plug it in. It instantly locked on. Look, boop, boop. Ah. This is nice. So you also got something for the back of your phone as well that you guys use it. So that basically, instead of this, it's gonna be the RECPOINT. So you put that in here like that, and it's gonna go on the back of your phone. So for example, I'll have my phone right here, and then I'll be able to put that back on the phone. So if I'm on a meeting or anything like that on the phone, literally I don't have to worry about it. I can take it exactly with me. I'll be able to pull out the device, plug it up, take it off. They give you a case for it. They give you the device, and then you also do get the charger as well.
I really like the minimalist design. It doesn't scream tech gadget. It's sleek, lightweight, and looks modern. If you're someone who's constantly in meetings, attend classes, create content, or even likes recording ideas while driving, portability really matters. This feels like something you will actually carry every day. Now here's where RECPOINT gets interesting. It's not just recording your voice, it actually uses AI to turn conversations into text automatically. Instead of listening back through a 1-hour meeting trying to remember what someone said, it creates transcripts for you. It can generate an AI summary, pulling out the key points so you're not digging through the pages of notes. Another feature I think is really cool is that it creates mind maps. So instead of just reading a wall of text, you can actually visualize the conversation and see how everything connects. I can honestly see this thing being useful for a lot of different people. If you're a student, you actually can pay attention during lectures instead of trying to write every single word. If you're in a business meeting, you can stay engaged in the conversation knowing everything is being captured. So overall, my first impression is really positive. I love how compact it is. The design feels premium. The AI features are what really separate it from the regular voice recorders. This definitely feels more like a productivity tool than just something that just records audio. I'm excited to keep testing it over the next couple of weeks and see how it fits into my daily workflow. If you're someone who wants to save time taking notes, stay organized, or never miss important ideas, this is definitely worth checking out.